Check it out. This guy just came in 981 miles on his brand new 2024 Model 3 Performance Highland. So he came in because he is going to get our flushed and lowered ZEV-centric package, which includes spacers for the factory warp wheels. He's going to get some Mountain Pass Performance rear camber arms, as well as our springs and cool free lanyard from Mountain Pass Performance. Thanks, Mountain Pass. So we're going to go ahead and get these things on the car, and we're going to show you guys the results afterwards, but check this out. So right up here, I would say this is about 3 fingers, all right? This car actually has a really symmetrical height on the driver and passenger side. So it's basically a 10mm rake on both sides of the vehicle, which was different from ours, because on ours we had 5 on one side and 10 on the other side, I believe. Now check out the rear. It's about a little more than 3 3¾ all right? We're gonna show you guys exactly how many fingers I can stuff in there after we get this thing lowered. So let's go. All right, so car's all done. Check it out. I can barely get 2 fingers in here. I can't even get them in all the way. And let's go to the back. And you got your 2 fingers right here. So that's the drop. Now check out the flushness on this. It did end up about a 3/4 inch drop before these springs fully settle in. So that is our spacer setup. Again, you can adjust the camber if you want, because we do include adjustable camber arms with this setup if you want to add a little bit more camber to get it to your liking. So that can be changed. But yeah, there you go, man. 3/4 inch drop, front and back, before the springs have fully settled in. Brand new car, so all the rubber pieces and the rubber isolators are also going to get imprinted by the springs. And so this vehicle should come down ever so slightly in the rear. The front's pretty much where it will be, but the rears may go down a little bit. But thanks for watching, guys. We got the link in the description below. This is our new spring setup, and we do appreciate your support. Let's get it.